How to block someone on your Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block someone on your Snapchat. So the first thing you want to do is open your Snapchat app. Now once you've opened your Snapchat app, simply go to the chat and then locate the person whom you want to block in Snapchat. So simply locate their name. And now once you found the person whom you want to block, simply tap on their Bitmoji just left to their name. And now it will show you their profile, where you'll have to tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now it will show you all of these options, and among them the second one will be manage friendship. So simply tap on it. And now it will provide you with four options, namely report, block, remove friend and edit name. So in order to block someone, all you have to do is simply tap on block, and then it will ask you whether you want to block the person. So in order to block them, simply confirm by tapping the option block. And there you have it. You have successfully blocked the person on Snapchat. So that is basically how you block someone on Snapchat. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.